students. Today we are going to discuss the question number 4 of exercise 3.5. Here we are using the elimination method to solve the pair of linear equations, and the fourth question is related to the practical problems. And the first part of this question is, and they're saying, form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions if they exist by any algebraic method. They are saying by any algebraic method, but we will use the elimination method because we are already discussing the elimination method in this exercise 3.5. And so the first part of this question is, a part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends upon the number of the days one has taken food in the mess. When a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000 as hostel charges, whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days pays rupees 1180 as hostel charges. Find the fixed charges and the cost of the food per day. We have to find the cost of the food and the fixed charges, and we will suppose these two required values as variables. Let the fixed charges is equal to rupees X, and let the cost of food per day rupees Y. Now we will go to the conditions that are given in the question. What they say: when a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000. Student A takes food for 20 days with payment rupees 1000. Now she pays rupees 1000 for 20 days. If we go to our assumptions, this is a fixed charges. It will be fixed in any form of the fees, and this cost depends upon the student's number of days living in the hostel with food, and the cost of one day is rupees Y, and so the cost for 20 days will be 20Y, and the total cost will be 1000. So this will make our first equation. And when we go to the second condition, that is given in the form of student B who takes food for 26 days, and student B takes food for 26 days with payment rupees, she is paying rupees 1180, and 1180 is a sum of two types of costs. which are fixed cost plus cost of the food for 26 days, that will be 26y. And so this is our second equation. Now we will use elimination method for solving the equations. Now we will take two equations. Therefore x plus 20y minus 1000 is equal to 0, that is first equation, and x plus 26y minus 1180 is equal to 0, that is second equation. And comparing equations 1 and 2 with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, we get a1 is equal to 1, a2 is equal to 1, b1 20, b2 26, c1 minus 1000 and c2 minus 1180. And so therefore x over will be the multiplication of this into this minus this into this minus this. I have already discussed these terms in the previous lectures, and this will be 20 into minus this minus 26 into minus 1000, and the value of y will be, by omitting this term, that will be this minus this, means 1 into minus 1000 will be minus 1000, and minus 1 into minus 1180 will be minus 1180, and 1 is equal to, that will be, by omitting this side, 1 into 26, that will be 26, minus 1 into 20 will be 20, and so these will be, and it will be minus 6 3 2 0 0 and minus minus plus 26,000, and y over minus 1000 minus minus plus 1180, and 1 over 26 minus 20 will be 6 here, and so x over 26,000 minus 23,600 will be 2400, and y over 1180 minus 1000 will be 180, 1 over 6. And now we will take the relations with taking first relation with third, x over 2400 1 over 6, and it will be 2400 over 6, and by cancelling it will be 400, and y over 180 is equal to 1 over 6, and y is equal to 180 over 6, and it will be 30, and x and y have the values that are fixed charges and cost of per day. Therefore fixed charges is equal to rupees 400, and cost of food per day rupees 30.